Okay, students, in this class we are going to learn about the IUPAC nomenclaturing. IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So according to IUPAC, we are going to learn the naming of organic compounds, certain organic compounds. So we have some examples. In this particular example, you can find in the longest chain 4 carbon atoms you can find. So that's why the root word is but, because of the 4 carbon atom, and between the carbon and carbon you can find single bond, so suffix is ane, and to the second carbon atom there is one methyl group. Similarly to the third carbon atom also there is one methyl group. So the prefix will be 2 3 dimethyl. So IUPAC name is 2 3 dimethyl butane. Then the second, in the next example, you can find 2 carbon atoms. The root word is ith. Between the carbon atom single bond, suffix is ene. But each carbon atom contains one chloro group. First carbon 2 chloro group, second carbon atom also 2 chloro group. Then the prefix will be 1 1 2 2 tetrachloro. 1 1 because to the first carbon atom there are 2 chloro groups, that's why 1 1. Second carbon atom also there are 2 chloro groups, 2 2. So 1 1 2 2 tetrachloroethane is the correct name of this structure. In the next structure you can find 3 carbon atoms in a longest chain, so root word is prop, and carbon carbon single bond you can find suffix is ane, and whereas you can find keto group C double bond O. C double bond O is a carbonyl group. Right side also one carbon chain is there, left side also one carbon chain is there, so it is a ketone. If there is a ketone, then the root word will be one. So position also you should mention here. To the second carbon atom you can find this C double bond O, so prefix will be 2-one. So the name of this structure is propan 2-one, commonly called as acetone. In the next structure, as you can see, 4 carbon atom in a straight chain, the root word is but, and you can find triple bond, so suffix is ine, and that triple bond is to the second carbon atom. Between second and third triple bond you can find, but priority we have to give to the least number, so 2 is the prefix. The name is but2-ine. But2-ine is the correct name of this structure. Let us move to the next example. Here this structure we are going to give the IUPAC name. So as you can see, there are 3 carbon atoms in longest chain, so root word is prop, and carbon carbon single bond you can find, so suffix is ane, and you can find to the second carbon atom 2 methyl groups are there, so the prefix is 2 2 dimethyl. Di word we are using because 2 methyl groups are there. Okay, to the second carbon atom 2 times methyl groups added, that's why 2 2 dimethyl propane is the answer. 2 2 dimethyl propane is the correct answer. So in the next structure, as you can see, in the longest chain 4 carbon atoms are there. So let us know the numbering. When you are numbering them, then 1 2 3 4, this numbering is correct because the branching methyl group is getting second position. If you give numbering from right side 1 2 3 4, the methyl group is getting third position, so third position is wrong, second position is right, so numbering from left side is correct. This is 1 and this is 2. So 4 carbon atoms are there, root word is but, carbon carbon single bond ane, suffix is ane. To the second carbon atom there is a methyl group, so prefix will be 2 methyl. To the second carbon atom there is one methyl group, so the correct name of that structure is 2 methyl butane. Next structure, in this case you can find 3 carbon atoms in straight chain, so root word is prop, and to the second carbon atom between second and first and second carbon atom you can find double bond, suffix is ene, so we have to give preference to 1, least numbering, so name is prop1-ene. Prop1-ene is the right answer. Okay, let us go to the next structure. In this case, as you can find, in the longest chain 5 carbon atoms are there, so root word is pent, and between carbon and carbon single bond you can find ane, whereas to the second carbon atom 2 methyl groups are there, so the prefix is 2 2 dimethyl. So 2 2 dimethyl pentane is the right answer. In the next structure you can find there are total 5 carbon atoms are there, root word is pent, And as you can find carbon carbon triple bond between second and third carbon atom, so priority you should give to the second carbon atom. So pent 2 ine is the right IUPAC name. In the next structure, we should be very careful in this case. This is the correct order. Either you can give numbering in this way, 1 2 3 4, or you can give numbering in this way. You can give numbering this way also. Sorry, in this way also you can give the numbering, 1 2 3 4. Okay, see that the triple bond should get the least numbering, then give preference to methyl group. So as there are 4 carbon atoms in a straight longest chain, 4 carbon atoms are there in the longest chain, the root word is but, and there is a triple bond to the first and second carbon atom, so 1 ine, and prefix is to the third carbon atom, there is a methyl group, so 3 methyl is the prefix, so the name is 3 methyl but 1 ine. So the name is 3 methyl but 1 ine is the right answer for that question. So this is very easy. As you can find, total 5 carbon atoms, so root word is pent, single bond is there, ane, pentane. Next structure also very easy. In the longest chain 3 carbon atoms are there, root word is prop, and to the second carbon atom there is a methyl group, CH3 is a methyl group, so root prefix is 2 methyl, so the name is 2 methyl propane. 2 methyl propane is the right answer for that question. The next question, total 2 carbon atoms are there, root word is eth, carbon carbon single bond, ane, and very important you can find here C double bond OH, carboxyl group, or COOH group. If COOH group is there, the name is going to end with oic acid, then it will be ethanoic acid. The right answer for this question is ethanoic acid. Similarly, in this structure you can find 2 carbon atoms, root word is eth, carbon carbon single bond ane, and 2 first carbon atom 1 chloro group, second carbon atom also 1 chloro group, then it will be the prefix will be 1 comma 2 dichloro, 1 comma 2 dichloroethane, 1 comma 2 dichloroethane is the right answer. So here few structures we need to solve. The first one is prop 1 ene, root word is prop, write 3 carbon atoms and 1 ene, to the first carbon atom ene means double bond, then we are going to add the hydrogen according to tetravalency. First carbon, this is the first carbon atom, so this carbon atom we are going to add 2 more hydrogen atoms to satisfy tetravalency. Second carbon atom 3 bonds are there, 1 hydrogen we are going to add, and last carbon atom 3 hydrogen atoms we are going to add. This is prop 1 ene. Similarly, we have 2 comma 3 dimethyl butane. So but is the root word, so 4 carbon atoms we are going to write, butane, single bond between carbon and carbon, and to the second carbon and third carbon there is a methyl group, second carbon 1 methyl group, and third carbon atom also 1 methyl group. Now we are going to add the hydrogen. To the first carbon atom 3 hydrogen we are going to add, second carbon atom 1 hydrogen to satisfy tetravalency, third carbon atom 1 hydrogen to satisfy tetravalency, and last carbon atom also we are going to add 3 hydrogen. This is 2 comma 3 dimethyl butane. Next we have 2 methyl propane. So prop root word, 3 carbon atoms you write in the straight chain, ane single bond we have mentioned, to the second carbon atom methyl group CH3. Now we are going to add the hydrogen to the remaining carbon atoms. First carbon atom 3 hydrogen, second carbon 1 hydrogen, third carbon we are going to add 3 hydrogen. This is 2 methyl propane. Then we have 3 hexene. Hex in the sense 6 carbon atoms. So 6 carbon atoms we are going to write, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 hexene to the third carbon atom. You can give numbering either from right side or left side, 1 2 3 4 5 6, or 1 2 3 4 5 6. Any one way you can suggest to give the numbering. So we are going to prefer the first case for the numbering. This I am going to erase. Now it says you have to put double bond to the which carbon, you have to 3 hexene is the name, hex in the sense 6 carbon atoms, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. To the third carbon atom we are going to put double bond as it is in, remaining carbon atom single bond we are going to add, and add hydrogen according to tetravalency. So first carbon atom 3 hydrogen you are going to add, second carbon 2 hydrogen, third carbon atom only 1 hydrogen, fourth also only 1, fifth 2 hydrogen, and sixth carbon atom 3 hydrogen we are going to add. So this is 3 hexene. Next we have prop 1 ine. Prop in the sense 3 carbon atoms, 1 means to the first carbon atom triple bond, remaining carbon atom single bond only. Now add hydrogen according to tetravalency. Second carbon atom already 4 bonds are there, no need to add. To the last carbon atom you add 3 hydrogen to make it tetravalent. The next is 2 methyl prop 1 ene. Prop is the root word, so prop in the sense 3 carbon atoms, 1 ene mentioned. To the first carbon atom double bond will be there, to the second carbon atom there is one methyl group. Now add hydrogen. First carbon atom 2 hydrogen I am going to add to make it tetravalent. Second carbon atom already 4 bonds are there. To the last carbon atom we are going to add 3 hydrogen. So this is 2 methyl prop 1 ene. Now we are going to write the alcohol with 4 carbon atom, 4 carbon alcohol. So 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon alcoholic group we are going to mention. OH is an alcohol. One second. So 4 carbon, 1 2 3 4, fourth carbon atom we are going to add the alcoholic group, and remaining carbon atom we are going to add the hydrogen. 2 2 2 3 hydrogen here. Now count the number. Total 10 hydrogen atoms are there, 1 oxygen and 4 hydrogen. So this is butanol, 4 carbon alcohol called butanol. So I guess you understood.